I think the very first step, as soon as you start thinking that you may want to buy, is to get in contact with someone like myself and take a pre-approval for yourself. Take an application with someone. Uh, Pre-approval is very important for two key reasons. Number one, it'll let you know how much you can afford before you go out shopping. And that's very important because I find that, a big mistake that a lot of first time home buyers, second home buyers make, they assume how much they can purchase. Maybe they've just calculated on a website somewhere and just have a general idea, and then they go out and shop. Problem is, once you actually do get around to taking an official pre-approval with somebody, if that number's different, and specifically if it's lower, it's going to be very difficult to find something in your price range. If you're human nature, if you start looking in a higher price range, and now all of a sudden you realize for whatever reason you may not qualify for that, and you've got to go down maybe 25,000, 50,000, whatever it is. Human nature is you're not going to like anything in that lower price range, even though there's probably plenty of good stuff out there in that price range. Once you've looked at the higher price range, you don't like anything in that lower price range. So that's number one. The other thing that a pre-approval will do for you is it'll lock in a rate for you. And a lot of, RBC has a 120-day rate hold, meaning that once you do take an application with someone like myself, we're then able to guarantee that rate for 120 days. Meaning that when you go out and are shopping and you find a place, your offer is accepted, you know what your rate's going to be. It guards you against rate increases. Now, of course, if rates are a little bit better by the time you buy, then that's a bonus. But at least if you start shopping and rates do start to creep up on you, you've got the assurance of knowing that you've got a rate locked down for that purchase that you're looking at.
When you mentioned, Andrew, that 120-day pre-approval, when you say that the client has to have an offer, does it have to close within that 120-day period, the purchase?
Correct, John. Yeah, it has to close within 120 days from the time that you took that pre-approval. So I've been doing this for 23 years now. The last 13 have been with RBC, but I was with the red team prior to coming over to RBC. So I've been doing this quite a while.